In today's Apple Numbers Spreadsheet demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make a basic line graph within the spreadsheet. And here we have a very basic sales spreadsheet. And what you want to do to make a line graph, you want to highlight all the cells that you want to be contained within that line graph. And you want to come to the top here and select the chart box. And you'll be greeted with many different charts to choose from. And for the basic line graph, you want to select this one here within the 2D section, and automatically the line graph will be created using the data that you have highlighted. As you can see, the sales, the consulting and the shops. You can also change the colour of the line graph here in the chart styles. You can also move the line graph to wherever you wish by clicking it and holding and then moving it to anywhere within the sheet. So let's quickly get rid of that and let's just highlight one section of the sales spreadsheet. Then let's make another line graph by coming up to chart and then selecting the line graph here. As you can see within the line graph, this is just giving us the data of the sales. So let's get rid of that one again. And what you can do, you can highlight these cells here. So the name, and then you can hold down shift and then select the consulting column. So we've highlighted names and consulting. And let's head back up to the chart and then select the line graph. And as you can see, this is the line graph created just for consulting. So let's quickly get rid of that one and let's highlight all the data again. Now you can make more fancy line graphs by coming up to chart and at the top here selecting 3D, and you can select any of these different line charts. And as you can see, this line chart has been created and you can move this one around. So that's how to make a line chart within Apple Numbers. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, check out this playlist here where we have many other Apple Numbers spreadsheet demonstrations, and thank you for watching.